Hiya! My name is Elaine and this is our safe place. Happy morning! Rise and shine! Hello po! Kape po tayo at pandesal. Ayun. So, kumusta naman po ang inyong mga pahinga tulog? Today, we are going to talk about being stuck in God's timing. So, the title of our vlog today is You Are Not Left Behind. Yeah, sometimes, I look at other people's lives and think, bakit kaya ang bilis nila mag-move? Diba? Why are they moving so fast? And I feel like I am standing still. But then I realized life is not a race. Hindi naman tayo nagkikipag-unahan, wala naman tayo sa marathon. My batchmates, my friends, they have their own season naman kasi. And I have also mine. God's timing is perfect. Just because I am not moving, it doesn't matter I'm not growing. Oh, tandaan nyo ha. Maybe right now, I'm just growing my roots deep so that when I bloom, I will stand strong and tall. Ikaw, you are also not late. You are not left behind. You are exactly where you need to be. Diba? Sabi nga sa Habakuk chapter 2 verse 3, for the revelation awaits an appointed time. It speaks of the end and will not prove false. Though it linger, wait for it. It will certainly come and will not delay. Diba? When you feel stuck, like everyone is moving ahead and you're still waiting, remember, God's timing is not late. It is perfect. You are not left behind. We are not left behind. You are being prepared. Piniprepare lang tayo. Diba? When He has for you is worth every moment of waiting. He is making everything beautiful in His time. And you will soar when your season comes. Sometimes, nag-wonder tayo na may mga nawawala sa atin, like tao, minsan may nawawalang trabaho, or kung ano pa mang nawala sa buhay natin. It's a sign na we are just preparing, piniprepare lang tayo ni Lord para dun sa mga bagay na darating at para sa atin. So, again, pag naramdaman mo na parang stagnant ang buhay mo, na wala kang progress, remember, hindi mo pa yun season. And yung mga pinagdadaanan mo, yung mga bagay na nararanasan mo, it's part of the process na kailangan mo pagdaanan bago mo matanggap yung greatest blessing ni Lord para sa buhay mo. At naniniwala ako doon. Ayun lang. So, I hope meron akong na-impart sa inyo this morning. So, iinom pa ako ng kape at kakain ng pandesal, magpe-prepare para sa work. Bye for now. Take care. See you later.